Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so your PC can control the device. Install ADB on your computer and verify the phone shows under a DB devices. This proves connectivity. Once done, install a reputable GPS mock location app and remember its package name because you will grant it permissions next. Make sure battery optimization is off for the app, so Android does not kill background location updates during emulation. Now you use ADB commands to authorize the app. Run a DB shell PM grant with the correct permissions for access mock location, or use a pop set to allow mock locations. This gives the emulator app the ability to inject GPS coordinates. Why? Because Android restricts fake locations unless explicitly permitted. Once granted, enable Select Mock Location app in Developer Options and open the emulator app to start sending coordinates. Make sure your PC and phone stay connected while testing. Finally, input or play a route from the mock app and confirm the location updates in Google Maps or a GPS status tool so you know the emulator works. If updates don't appear, reboot the device, rerun the ADB grant or a POPs commands, and reselect the mock app. Often a reboot clears permission caching. If the phone has OEM or Play Services restrictions, escalate using a POPs or use a signed debugging build. Try one troubleshooting step at a time until it resolves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.